Hello everyone, my name is Caroline Ting. I am a postdoctoral fellow at the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and in charge of international relations at Lógica Universalis Association. Along with the great designer, visual artist, and creative technologist Marlos Araújo, I am presenting the talk titled Using Neural Networks to Create Logical Structures of an Artificial Paradise. The paradise may be attached to several cultural concepts. In this project, we attempt to give some insight into how we imagine paradisiac or heavenly structures. It is critical to understand why we conceptualize it as we do. With this intent, we create visual representations of the paradise using neural networks as a heuristic for furthering the following questions. What the main images created by artificial intelligence linked to paradisiac labels are? Which religious traditions, mythologies, folk tales, legends, and parables do these compositions approach? Is paradise a place or a spiritual state of mind? In fact, paradisiac illustrations generated by artificial intelligence, an algorithmic defined by an algebraic formula, may help us reflect on which patterns are most widely present in ordinary imagery, which ones are ubiquitously observed, and which ones are neglected. In the process, these algorithmic biases could allow us to understand to which tradition is rendered a greater cultural significance and which prejudices we might consciously or unconsciously convey. For instance, the following pictures were composed by the software Midjourney, an AI model able to generate images from a given text prompt. Each prompt is a set of words representing the entry data in the machine learning process. In the first step, called pre-curation, we had no previous idea of the outcome, and we met surprising results. The present research opens up the possibilities for philosophical questions regarding how much we, humans, have not absolute control over our conceived notions. For example, in this project, the machine has learned the idea of paradise from the data input. However, once our post-contemporary culture is gradually bombarded by these illustrations, could, in return, our perceptions of what paradise means become unintentionally influenced by the pictures artificially created to the point of turning into stereotypes or part of our intrinsic mental representations of the subject matter? We believe that it is in this sense that the aesthetic experience gains new relevance and meaning, as it takes in itself such essential dimensions of building and unveiling unexpected senses, both for our worldviews and for our aesthetic experiences. If we want to investigate the possible paths that our minds have the potential to take in a markedly technological universe, art can contain the expression of this path, or at least provoke and illustrate innovative reflections. From the premise that the pillars of this investigation in the near future will be based on the expressions of what art and neurotechnology have to offer, admitting that the visual dimensions provide a broad view of the world, the present investigation intends to engage the viewer in a multidisciplinary dialogue about the future of our premeditated designs. It also justifies ways in which research and aesthetics and cognition goes in harmony with the development of new technologies.